Hi friends, today I am going to discuss one of the important topics, that is arc welding. Arc welding is important joining mechanism for construction site, especially metal joining mechanism. Here the arc is produced to in between the electrode and workpieces to create a huge amount of heat, which ultimately melt the parent material as well as electrode to create a welding pool, which ultimately join the metal together. What are the requirement for arc welding? There's a welding machine, because welding machine is maybe fixed as well as portable. This welding machine is having two leads. One is connected to the workpieces, that is generally negative terminal, and a positive terminal generally connected to the electrode and electrode holder, and through electrode holder electrode is captured. So ultimately these are making a circuit here, and this welding machine from the back side is connected to the power source generally more than 230 voltage power is used. 230 volt to 400 voltage power is used. Ultimately this welding machine is nothing but a step down transformer. We need hardly 50 to 100 volt is required, and once the welding is started, that is working well, voltage 20 to 30 volts sufficient. So it this machine having a step down transformer which reduces this voltage to the working voltage. Also it is having one rectifier inside, which creates step down voltage to the DC supply also whenever required. In powers in the construction side, we generally use AC supply mainly, because for the ferrous material. Non-ferrous material we are using DC supply generally. In the welding machine there will be voltage and as well as ampere regulating gauges. There will be indicator and off on switches, and these are the points which where we connect the cable with the lugs. We are having several types of electrode as well for the joining. So we'll see the what type of electrodes we are using. See, for the arc welding we are using E60 6013 E7018, like this. We are using electrode for the similar kind of material. This 7060 nothing but the joining strength, as well as we are using 308 309 for dissimilar joining, dissimilar material. These electrodes are generally composed of many types of element. You are seeing here the composition are given, and this will material manganese, phosphorus, etc. chromium. It will be marked on the package itself. It will be coming in the different length and diameter. You see here the consumption of their power also it is shown here. Okay, next we will see the types of welding. This arc welding generally will have SMAW, shielded metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, then gas metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, plasma arc welding, electroslag welding, and MIG welding or SMAW welding. You see here all the welding. TIG welding, you need for the TIG welding you need non-consumable tungsten electrode with inner gas shielding, and SMAW welding you need carbon dioxide shielding, and for TIG welding, and already I told you inner gas like argon, helium, carbon. GMAW MIG welding, note MIG welding also inert gas. SMAW shielding metal arc welding units, carbon dioxide shielding mechanism, and plasma arc shielding. This is the electrode holder you can see here for the first step. Okay, Now welding symbol, some of the welding symbol we want to learn here. Whenever you see the drawings, you will see so many symbols are given, what type of welding you need for what joint. For according to position of the welding, you can see here 1G weld, 1G like this flat position, 2G is horizontal position, then 3G vertical position, 4G overhead position, 5G horizontal fixed position, and there's 6G inclined position also there. You will have bar joint to two pieces uh, from two pieces faces each other. It can be square shapes, so this will be the symbol. Similarly, single V, double V, single U, double V. You have to make the groups, small groups, to fill the whirlpool. So this accordingly they are known. There corner wells like this, T well like this, bevel, single J, double J. This all will be given in the drawing. Okay, lap weld will be one above the another. You see, this is the fillet weld, and this is a spot weld. Small hole will be there. Seam weld like this. You will get in the drawing. The common defects, if generally a huge amount of heat is produced, this causes the heat affected zone. Heat affected zone generally depends upon the voltage, ampere, and inversely proportional to velocity of the well, as well as direct proportional efficiency. So if any of these variables is increase, decrease, so accordingly heat affected zone will be increase, means because of heat will be changing. So heat accordingly we know this heat affected zone, if it is excessive, it can cause stress and brittleness, as well as if it is not shielded properly, there is oxidation as well as imperfection. So what are those imperfection? That is called defects. The ideal weld will be like this, and in the defects you see cracks, porosity, undercut means there will be small group, and slag inclusions inside, overlap means excess amount, there will be less amount in between, that is incomplete fusion, and incomplete penetration will be there will be less upon here. Okay, scatter like this. This will be defects. And last but not the least, we will learn about the safety. This is the ultimately hot work, one of the important hot work at the site. So hot work permit and all necessary permit must be taken first, and all JSA, just job safety analysis, to be carried out, and welder certificate and welder qualification, job card, etc. to be made ready before going for the job. Secondly, you have to see the area of the job. It should be properly safeguarded. You see, in there may be ergonomic problem, there may be electrical shock, there might be bright light, so there will be ultraviolet rays, there will be infrared radiation, toxic fumes, and nasal and physical in respiratory problems, noise problem, etc. So most of these problems, human problem, like uh, uh, like in fumes and other, whenever you're burning the electrode, approximately more than 23 types of gases are released. Some of them are very harmful, so you need to some respirator, you need to protect your eyes from infrared and infrared radiation. So that's a welding shield, welding helmet is required with glasses, and there will be electricity, and so there is a chance of shock produced. So you need leather glasses and protective shoes and aprons, other things. So there will be possibility of burning, because more than in the welding, welding frame, more than 30,000 degree temperature release, so this can burn the flammable material. So your fire extinguisher should be there. Your area, there's where you are working there may be spatter falling, so causing the burn to the other things also. So proper barricade is needed, supervision is needed. All these things will protect you from causing any type of incident action. If you are working welding at a height, you need all the height protection, high fall protection requirement like your safety belt, your uh, RFA reflectable fall arrest and other things to be ensured. So likewise you can be protected very easily. I think you understood the arc welding and necessary uh, precaution. Uh, you ensure that your supply should be connected to the ELCV or like a circuit breaker or RCCP, and as well as there should be double body earthing of the machine, so that whatever the release of the electricity or current due to short circuit or overloading, it can be going to the earth directly, and you will, or circuit may be disconnected by your LCV and you will be protected. So like this you can make yourself safe. I think I could give some clues. It will be helpful for you. Thank you for listening.